Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl T back with another video. In today's video, we're going to get into a little sublimation. I'm going to be working on sublimating 3-ounce shot glass tumblers for our upcoming vacation. All right, so I will go ahead and show you one of the ones that I have already made. And that template, I actually, and I need to turn this down too. There we go. This one on the template, I actually made this template myself, okay? Not too bad, not too bad. It actually turned out pretty stinking cute, and I love that, okay? So this is for our upcoming vacation. We are going to Las Vegas. Y'all look out for the vlog. I am super excited about this vacation, okay? Not like I ain't never been to Vegas before, but I'm super excited. But anywho, if you are new here, thank you for stopping by my channel. Please consider liking the video, sharing out the video, checking out all of the content on the channel, and smashing that. Hold on, y'all. Okay, that was a little weird. I've never had that oven just jump up the time on its own. That's what that beeping noise were. But for my returning members and subscribers, welcome back, fam. Welcome back, y'all. All right, so if y'all know, I did go live early yesterday. So because I'm about to have some time on my hand, let me know if y'all want me to do a live early like that, and then perhaps upload another video later in the day, right? All right, y'all. So we have our 3-ounce shot glasses here, and I got these from, I've already wrapped our other one, okay? And I actually had to cut the shrink wrap down. So I took a 20-ounce wrap, and I just cut them down, okay? So we'll have enough. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to get these off. We're going to wrap these, and all I'm doing is just putting the plastic. I believe when you give these away as gifts, that you should wholeheartedly keep the little plastic piece, just because, I don't know, could be something OCD, but I just believe it looks better for presentation, okay? My opinion, but do whatever floats your boat, or as my homeboy Michael, Mr. Crafty Pants, would say, you do you, boo. Okay, you do you, boo. All right, y'all. So I'm just taking off the little Made in China stickers off the bottom, and then we have our paper towel here. All I'm doing, oh wait, y'all can't see. Let me move the camera in. There you go. Okay, let's move this up and out of the way. Get y'all where y'all can see. Okay, so we have our little shindig right there, our paper towel. And we're just cleaning these up. I always encourage everybody, and I also just made some labels to go inside of my box. Well, I added to the wash instructions to make sure that you wash these prior to using them. Okay, so I've already have these cut out. I keep forgetting I got this camera turned just a little weird. Okay, so I've already gotten these cut out, so all I'm going to do is just move one of them off to the side, and I'm just using the big buffalo symbol on this one to make it be the front of my cup, okay, or shot glass tumbler in this instance. And all I'm doing is really just feel like I can cut this corner off just a little bit. There we go. Ooh. I hope that is okay on there like that. That's got a little alcohol on it. I don't know if I trust that. So let me just cut another one off if the thing was still a little bit wet. So let me just save myself the trouble and recut out another one. I could really probably just tear this like so. Oops. Boom. Oops. Nope. Can't use either one of those. Should have cut it. Okay. We're gonna take our chances on this one. I should have just left well enough alone, but I do not. Alright. And guess what? If it comes out a little jacked up, guess who's gonna get it? My husband. Alright. So all I do is I just take a strip of tape like so. Yes, y'all can see. And this one, I'm just going to make sure that it goes across this way, sealing everything up. Then all I'm going to do is this piece right here is probably too long, but hey, that's okay. I'd rather have too long than not enough, okay? And then all I do is fold this over. And y'all, we're going to do these all at once, okay? No. I'm going to reprint this one, period, because I see where it's going to be a problem already. I think it got moved down. Let me see. I'm all about saving stuff, but I don't know. Let me see. I don't know that this part I'm going to be able to save, but we're going to try. I'm not really worried about saving the tape, but if I can save the, because I was wondering, like, why do I have so much? Okay, I see what happened. And I'm not going to edit this out, y'all, because I want y'all to see. Alright, so mistakes like this happens, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to trim this off a little bit more. Okay? Trim that off a little bit more. And let's first of all make sure, okay, we got it right. Because y'all know me. Y'all know me. I will do what? Put something on backwards in a minute. We know that. And I don't really want this to go like all the way down to the bottom, because I want that buffalo okay, that's good right there. Let me tape off this top part first, because I don't want it to move, because I can control the bottom with my hand. right? And then we're just going to cut that part off. So it's easier. I can control the bottom. Why did I move that? Why? Can somebody tell me why I moved that? I keep forgetting this is a little shot glass, y'all. So even when blinging these, they are sort of kind of difficult. All right, I'm not moving it at all this time. And because I'm overthinking it, because I'm trying not to have to redo this, y'all know what I mean? All right, y'all. So I'm gonna get these wrapped up, and okay, y'all. So we are all wrapped up, looking good, looking good. Okay, all wrapped up. I'm just going to sit these or lay these in here. I probably could stand them all up, and I'm sure they would be fine. But I'm just going to lay them down, and our oven, as you can see right there, our oven is heating up. So it takes these 6 minutes to bake, essentially, because that's what it's doing in that oven. It is baking. So as soon as it finishes baking, I'll be back to show you guys the finished product. All right, y'all. So we are back. Let me make sure this mic, oh, it's not. But we are back, and we are finished with our tumblers. So they are nice and cute. Okay, we got a little bit right here we didn't quite meet, and I'm okay with that. Okay, I'm okay with that. And then this is the Buffalo template. Now this Buffalo Bills template, I built and designed this template myself, so I'm super excited about that one. This one came from Creator Fabrica. So let's go ahead and put the bottoms look good as well. So let's go ahead and just find the lids for each one, and then we're going to put them in its plastic. And this is what I mean by saving the plastic. And then you just drop them back down in here like so. And these are ready to go. So we will, like I said, we'll use these on our vacation. Super, super fun. Cannot wait. And then I'll show you how I'm going to store these so that when I get on the plane in our check-in bag. So we'll have them like this, and I already have the other one in here. It's just the same one that I showed you guys in the beginning. And all I'm going to do is, I don't know, they only get 2 in there at a time. Yep, it's only going to get 2. So I'll just grab another bag, but this is how I will store them. Oops, y'all couldn't see that. So this is how I will store them, y'all. Super, super cute. But that's all I have for you guys today. So until next time, peace, be blessed, stay crafty. I'm your girl T, and I'm out. Catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.